Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting biotech company called AcelRx Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So AcelRx Pharmaceuticals is a specialty pharmaceutical company, and they're focused on developing and commercializing some really innovative therapies that are going to be used in the medical supervised setting. So it's in the hospitals, outpatient care clinics. So let's look at the leadership team. Pamela P. Palmer, MD, PhDs, Chief Medical Officer, co-founder. I'm a big fan of these type of leaderships. MD, PhDs are amazing to see. She has a tremendous background, and what I'm really excited about this company is, this company, I really hope they're successful because they are doing something, they're trying to help issues where, a lot of medical errors happen on some of these injectables in the hospital setting where, it's a clear medication. It's not easy distinguishable. They're very potent medications. So they're developing a proprietary sublingual formulation for delivery of drugs that has a really specific pharmacokinetic properties. So it's going to be a single strength tablet, single dose unit, which is really the point of that is to avoid these type of medication errors. So I'm really excited about that. They got a really good team, it looks like, with the formulation. They've already approved in the EU. They want to limit the products that can be used that's specifically, they understand and recognize there's a place for these opioid medications and pain management. And, sometimes there needs to be a better way to do it. And I really hope this company is successful with it. So let's look at the pipeline. So I was saying it's approved. They got one approved already in the ISO, which is sufentanil, which is a sublingual tablet used for controlling analgesic system for acute pain management in a medical supervised setting. The other ones that I'm really interested in, they got higher doses of it. ARX02, ARX03, that's higher strength sufentanil, which is a sublingual tablet. Okay, usually this stuff is given IV. It's given, through intravenously, and that's going to be ARX02s for potentially cancer breakthrough, pain, opioid tolerant patients. They're in phase 2 trials. That's great. Hopefully the Salviso is going to get approved in the U.S. They're in phase 3 trials. They also have combination pills, the ARX03 sufentanil with triazolam, which is a benzodiazepine, another sublingual tablet, and that could be a big, I really like the idea of this one for procedural anxiety, acute pain. I mean, this could be a good medication, hopefully, for patients. I mean, I'm still going to be monitoring their phase 2 trials. They got pre-filled syringe products, this PFS-01 ephedrine for treatment of hypotension when you have really low blood pressure when patients have anesthesia. So there's a lot of different medications that they have in the pipeline that I'm really interested. I'm going to continue to follow this company. So let's look at the stock price. So stock symbol ACRX, ACRX Pharmaceuticals. It is trading down below 29 cents at the time of this video. Now, I do think there is an opportunity here, because of the environment, JPAL, if you've been following the market, interest rates may be going up, and companies like this get hammered when that happens. So I'm still going to monitor them. It could have fallen to 15 cents, probably, most likely. But, once the dust is settled, I do think they have a lot of potential. That phase 3 trial could get wrapped up soon. I'm going to continue to monitor them. They recently posted some information on their sufentanil Dusava approved product sublingual tablet, which is the only transmucosal analgesics that's approved for management of moderate to severe acute pain in patients with opioid naive, such as unfortunately soldiers in the military. So that's really incredible. Usually patients, they're using morphine. This could be an alternative to morphine, which is incredible, which has been around, since the 19th centuries. So I really like the idea. It could limit, medication errors, incidence of side effects. Also is the risk for addiction, because morphine, as people know, it's a opioid, is very addictive. So let's hope the studies come out positive. I'm going to continue to this monitor company. I do think there's a potential for this company to break out. I'm going to be monitoring. Going to definitely make a small investment in this, but probably when it gets down to the 15-cent mark. But I do like this company long term. So that's all the time we have today. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps the Google algorithm. And as always, have a wonderful day.